Hello children, welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Children, hope you all are fine at home and doing well. In previous class, I told you about Unit 6 and sentence structures, how to form sentences in different ways. Okay children, so today we are going to learn about short vowel sound, set 10, 11, 12 and 13. Before starting this, let's learn something special. Children, we all should have a good diet every day. It is very beneficial for us and necessary for us. Without good food, we are not able to be healthy. So that's why we all should have a good diet including food, fruits, vegetables, rice, pulses and milk. So children, make a habit to eat everything that is beneficial for your body. Now let's turn to our class. Here we are going to learn short vowel sound. Page number 37. Open SR 10 in your reader book of Alga 10. Here I am going to tell you a short sound. What is us? Look the first word, nervous, joyous, famous, serious, enormous, jealous, curious, various, glorious and marvelous. So these sounds, words ending with short sound of us. Okay children, now here look R sound. What is R short sound? Like journey, journal, courage, nourish, flourish, courage, discourage, encourage. It is what is showing? Or. What is or? Now look how to use these words. So this is marvelous, said Mrs. Rita. Marvelous means very attractive. All students looked up, curious to see the marvelous object. Curious means, I told you, eager. And what did they see? On the table was a glorious model of a form. Glorious means very attractive, beautiful. It had numerous taps to shower water. Numerous means number of. It had various crops flourishing. Various means many types of crops. Who made this? Asked Mrs. Rita. Means teacher asked, who made this? I did, said Sona. Sona said that I have completed it. Mrs. Rita encouraged her to come in front. Everyone clapped for Sona. Okay, children? Now, let's turn to SR 7. And here is the story of Sir Isaac Newton written by Komal Ramchandani. Okay, children? Sir Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day in 1643. He was born in a poor farming family. He was born a tiny weak baby. Means very weak, premature, and was not expected to live even one day. Means everybody had thought that he will not alive. His father had died 3 months before he was born. When Isaac was 3, his mother left him with his grandmother. She married a man from a nearby village. Newton didn't get along with his second father. He felt rejected by his family. He hated his stepfather and threatened to burn his house down. Newton sought solace in books. What is the meaning of solace? Comfort in a time of great pain or sadness. Means when he feels bored or unhappy, he looked towards the books. He was one of the top students in school. He loved machines and technology. What is the meaning of technology? The application of scientific knowledge or practical purposes, especially in industry. So even before he could complete his studies, his mother withdrew him from school. She wanted him to run the family farm. It was Newton's uncle and headmaster who convinced his mother to let him return to school. Now let's turn to next page, page number 39, SR 12. When he was 19 years of age, he went to Cambridge University in England. He couldn't afford to pay for it. You know, he belonged to very poor family. So he worked part-time as a valet. He was a servant who looked after gentlemen's clothes and how they looked. The university saw how talented he was and they gave him a scholarship. You know, children, there is a planning of government and colleging that they provide scholarship to brilliant students who are poor. So he became really keen on math while he was at university. He became a professor of maths when he was just 27 years old. The university had to close down due to the Great Plague. Plague is a serious outbreak of bubonic plague in England 1665 and 6. It is a very harmful disease. So he went home and did lots of thinking. This is where some of his most important work was done. Open next page. He discovered lots of important things and he became famous for his work on gravity and his three laws of motion. He invented calculus, which is a part of maths that is used in engineering and science. He also invented the reflecting telescope. The principle behind it is used even today also. So he is one of the most famous and influential scientists who ever lived. Okay, children. So this is the story of Isaac Newton, scientist. Now, children, let's revise this concept and try to complete all question answers exercises related to this concept in your workbook. Till then, be happy, take care of yourself and your family. Happy learning.